Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online language lessons. Usually when I'm teaching online, I'll begin a class by putting students into breakout rooms and giving them a few minutes just to talk about how they're doing, how they're coping with the current madness we're all living through, how they are, and so on. And yesterday, 3 of my students were chatting away in one of the breakout rooms when they all started talking about their morning workout regimes. One of them did 20 minutes of yoga, another one went for a 5-kilometre run. And as I was listening to all of this, I started feeling terrible because my normal morning routine basically involves drinking lots of caffeine and sitting down in front of a computer. As they continued comparing their morning fitness routines, I interrupted by saying, "Stop it! You're all putting me to shame." If you put someone to shame, you basically make them feel bad. You make them feel ashamed because you do something so much better than they do. For example, my 9-year-old son also plays guitar, and even though he's not been playing anything like as long as I have, his playing already puts mine to shame. He puts me to shame. He makes me feel terrible because he's so much better than I am already. Poland's response to the current refugee crisis caused by the war in Ukraine puts the British government's response to shame. And maybe you go to a conference or you're at work and someone you know does a presentation and you think it's much better than yours. So you might say later, "Oh, her presentation was amazing. It put mine to shame." If you've enjoyed this video, please click the like button, the thumbs up sign. It helps more people find out about what we do. Please do share the videos with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below. We'd love to hear examples of times when maybe other people have put you to shame.